Having trouble with Facebook Live comments not showing? Here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause delays or interruptions in comments appearing. Once you have checked that, next make sure that Facebook app is updated. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Facebook and search for that. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. For that, open up your settings. Go to Apps, tap Facebook, then tap Storage. Now select Clear Cache. Now go live and check if your problem is fixed. Sometimes Facebook hides comments automatically. If it detects inappropriate language or behavior, check your moderation settings to make sure they aren't too restrictive. If none of these steps work, you want to reach out to Facebook support. For that, tap on the three lines. Now tap Help and Support, then tap Report a Problem, then tap Continue to report a problem. Now select Live from here and then describe the issue in this box, then send it. Facebook support will help you fix your problem by identifying specific issue with your account or live stream. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.